it's Leisha and I'm back and I'm better. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve your wing liner. A lot of my Instagram babies have been requesting that, so I was like, you know, might as well do it. A wing liner needs practice. Obviously you're not going to be perfect at the same time, so you have to practice and practice and practice, and then you'll master it. What else can I say? Yeah, basically it's very beginner friendly, so if you want to master your wing eyeliner, I would say watch this video till the end. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Yeah guys, love y'all, and happy holidays. Hey lovies, so I'm going to be using my Essence Super Lost Liquid Eyeliner, which is waterproof and lasts for 18 hours. What I love most is that it has this pointy applicator, which makes your wing liner very precise. So guys, I'm going to be showing you this connected dots beginner friendly technique. So basically you're going to make dots which are as close as possible to your outer corner of your eye. And then you're just going to connect those dots and then fill them in the spaces. I learned this trick from It's My Rere. I will link her video in the description box, so do check it out. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. And don't worry, if you make any mistakes, you can conceal that. And yeah, you're good to go. So to conceal, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn and my angle brush. This just cleans up any mess that I've made. You know, sometimes you do have a shaky hand. I usually use my pinky as my, I don't know, let's just say it just prevents me from being shaky and for I not to make mistakes. So you can make your wing liner to be as thin as possible, or you can make it thicker. I like to stick, you know, to a size in the middle, not too thin, not too thick. So that's what I'm going for. So I'm just going to carry on like that, and voila, you have your wing liner. So now I'm going to be doing my other eye, and, you know, I'm going to freestyle it. I'm not using, you know, the connected dots technique. I'm basically, you know, freestyling, using my pinky as a stabilizer to balance me from being like, you know, to be shaky. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I kind of messed up, so I'm going to clean that with concealer. So don't stress yourself. As I said again, concealer is your best friend. It will save you from a makeup mess. Okay, sis? So guys, I want to focus on my inner corner. I did smudge it with my liquid eyeliner, so I'm going to cover that with concealer and just make it really, really sharp, really cute, and really perfect, because ain't nobody got time for a lopsided, you know, wing liner which is looking like a mess. Like so that's what I'm doing. I'm basically cleaning up my mess, and yeah, I'm just looking like they all look cute, or whatever. So guys, as I was trying to make these wings to balance out and to look the same, common problem which happens when you're doing a wing, sometimes, you know, the other one becomes bigger than the other one, which is just a mess. But anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I kind of effed up, but yeah, we keep it pushing. I'm basically blending, you know, my concealer with my pinky until everything just looks flawless, blended up, and we get to go.
Once we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realize.
So guys, I'm gonna be using the Lash Essence Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara or whatever, and yeah, just to finish up the look. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, just a tad bit. I feel like if you look down and you put mascara, it's not gonna mess up your eyelid. That's what I'm doing. I'll put it underneath. Maybe I won't smudge or cry. Almost. But almost isn't cut. So yeah, you just have to put like a bit of mascara. Lashes are optional, you guys. So yeah. And then the last thing, I'm gonna be doing my lips. So I'm gonna be using the ZARA Line It Up. Guys, I totally forgot to put this on my ZARA try and haul, but yeah, ZARA has a beauty range right now, and I actually ordered this lip pencil in the color L02. It's just the lip liner. But anyways, yeah guys, this is it. And then also I'm gonna be using my Essence. Now I'm gonna be using my Essence Long Lasting Hot Chocolate, because I'm hot chocolate or whatever. Okay, I'm joking guys. So yeah, it's a roll up, which I love. Rolls up. And then guys, I'm going to be using my Dis-Chem Lip Therapy in Jojoba. And yeah, so let me just line my lips or whatever. Let me just line my lips. So I'm going for a very natural look. I love overlining my lips, guys. It just makes them like bigger. I feel like big lips just suit me better. I'm gonna be doing that whole, you know, ombre effect, but with the middle part being a bit pink. So this is the color it has. I'm gonna put that inside. You see what I'm talking about? This looks very nudie, but with a pink tone. Lush little lips for the Holly time. The trick to have it look natural is to smudge out the outline. And then lastly, I'm gonna gloss it up with my lip therapy. Make it all cute or whatever. And guys, what I love about this lip therapy is that it lasts for a while. You know, it's not that gloss where you put it on and then all of a sudden it has disappeared. It does the Houdini trick on you. So yeah, you good to go, sis. So this is the complete look, you guys. I hope you liked it. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot freckles. I'm using the Essence Super Lost, you guys already explained. So the trick to not, you know, over smudge your freckles is to have as less product as you can. And yeah, that's the whole trick. So I'm gonna put like one here. I have a light hand, so that's why I use my pinky. And then I'll put one here. And then I'll put one here. And then one here. One here. Then guys, this is the look. I hope you guys did enjoy my wing liner tutorial, guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.